Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a birthday cake surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our birthday cake surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. So it's kind of like I'm making a birthday card. Then I'm going to give it one more fold like this, right down the middle again. And now when I open this, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with our birthday cake surprise fold, let's begin by drawing the line across the top. So I'm just going to start by making a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down here. Next, I'm going to just make a wavy line across here. So it looks like it's got lots of frosting on the birthday cake. Now, on top of here, I'm going to make a candle. So I'll make a line that goes up, over, and down. And then I'm going to put a little flame on here. And then I'll make two little lines across here for some details. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side for the sides of my cake. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down a little farther, right underneath the fold. And then instead of a straight line, I like to kind of curve it. So I'm just going to make a curved line that just goes down and then back up. Next, I'm going to make our cake on a plate. So all I'm going to do is draw a line that just comes out. We're going to curve it around and bring it back in. I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down, curve it around, and then bring it up. Now, let's give our little piece of cake a face. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a nice big circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another nice big circle over here for an eye. Now we're going to make these kind of cute, so I'm going to make a circle right here, and then a smaller circle here. And we'll do the same thing here, just circle here, and then a smaller circle right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color these in. So I'm just going to color this in. And I'll color in here. And I'll do the same thing here. I'll just color this in. And then I'm just going to color this in. Now, underneath here, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our little birthday cake. We have the top and the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit and this one. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'll bring this one up a little bit, right past the fold. Now, right here, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape. And then I'll draw a little diagonal line at the end of each one. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each side. Now, starting down here, kind of lined up with these two lines, let's go ahead and let's make just a nice big smiley face shape right here for the bottom part of the mouth. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up and down, and then up and down. And then right across here, I'm just going to make some little rounded teeth for our birthday cake. Now, right inside of here, I want to write happy birthday, and it's really easy to do. So the first thing is we're just going to make an H for happy. So we're just going to make our letter H in bubble letters. We'll make a shape like that. And then we'll draw 2 lines down. And then we'll make a line that goes up, over, down, and over. For the A, we'll make a triangle shape, 2 little lines, and then a line that goes up, over, and down, with a little triangle in there. Now we're going to make 2 P's in here. So we'll draw a line down, we'll make a curve, another line down, and over. This one I'm going to put behind it a little bit, so we'll make a line that comes down, another curve, and a line that goes down and over. Then we'll make 2 little D shapes in here for the inside. Now for the Y, I'm going to start by making a V, and then I'll draw 2 lines on here. I'll make a line that comes in, and I'll make this line come down real far. Then I'll come up and then in to connect it. Now birthday is going to be a lot longer word, so we're going to start out here, and I'm going to begin with the B, so I'll make a line, and I'll make 2 bumps on here, and then we'll put 2 little D shapes in there. We'll make a rectangle for the I, and then for the R, we'll just make a line down with a curve. We'll make a line over, and we'll come up and down, and then back in with a little D shape. For the T, let's draw 2 lines down, 2 lines across, then we'll go up, over, and down, and then right across here. For the H, we'll go down, over, and up, and then we'll go down, over, and up, connect it with a line. Then over here we'll go over, and down, and then connect it. For the D, let's just draw a curved line, and with a smaller D shape inside. For the A, we'll go up and down, we'll go over, and then up, over, and down, with a little triangle. And then for the Y, we'll make a little V shape, 2 little lines, and a line that goes down and up. And we'll go up and then over. And then we put a little exclamation point at the end. So we'll just make a little rectangle shape with a little circle underneath it. Now what I like to do is I like to add kind of like a nice big pointed shape around here, just to kind of make it look a little bit more fun. So I'm going to start by making some big pointed triangle shapes all around here. Now there's no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just going to make these go all the way across here. And then we'll fill up the top too. You can make some big, you can make multiple ones, whatever you want to do. But we're just going to make them go all the way across. And then I like to just kind of draw that same line again right underneath here. Just makes it look a little bit more interesting. So we're just going to redraw that line all the way across here. So we're going to do this all the way here. And then we'll connect it right back there. Then I'm just going to draw a line that comes down. And then I'm going to bring the lines from my mouth up. And the lines here need to go up. And then there you go. That's how you make a little birthday cake surprise fold. Now you can always add extra fun things here. You can make like little squares everywhere so it looks like little confetti is popping out. You can do whatever you want to. You can make like a little party hat. You can do however you want to. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. Or if you know the person really well, you can always draw something inside of there that they like. And there you go. Once it's all folded up, we have our cute little cake. And then when we open it, it's a big surprise. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.